Welcome to JAPHIL International Trading Corporation, your trusted partner for high-quality Japan surplus heavy equipment. Today, we're excited to showcase our newly arrived AICHI SP21A boom lift, straight from Japan to our yard here in Subic Bay. This impressive machine is ready to meet the demands of any high-reach project. The AICHI SP21A comes with a robust boom lift system, giving you the power and reach needed for challenging tasks in construction, maintenance, and industrial applications. With a maximum platform height of 21 meters, the AICHI SP21A offers remarkable vertical reach, ensuring operators can safely and efficiently work at height. Manufactured in 2009, this model is built to endure and perform in tough conditions. Our team is performing a first-time testing here in the Philippines, putting this boom lift through its paces. With advanced control mechanisms, it offers precise positioning, essential for complex tasks. This feature enhances both safety and productivity. Equipped with a ZEXEL pump, this AICHI boom lift is designed for reliable hydraulic performance, ensuring smooth and consistent operation even under heavy use. For those in need of a durable, high-performing boom lift, look no further. The AICHI SP21A boom lift is available now at JAPHIL International Trading Corporation, Lot 1457 Argonaut Highway, Boton area, Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Contact our marketing manager, Aga Altamash, at 094558340079 to learn more or to schedule a viewing. Don't miss the opportunity to elevate your projects with this reliable Japan surplus equipment. At JAPHIL International Trading Corporation, we ensure quality and value, bringing you the best equipment from Japan right here in the Philippines.